Okay. Hey guys. Yeah, I'm live on TikTok too. So hopefully you guys can hear me. Put this over here. Yeah. So I'm live on YouTube, guys. Welcome to my channel. This is Suh Mi Feel Pon live, and I am Momo. I feel like right now I'm one of the internet's most hated. So I decided to go live, and I said I'm gonna address a few things. I have a little note here, so yeah, jot it down real quick in the car. Some things that I would like to talk about. Hey guys, I'm on YouTube. Or maybe I need to look at you guys over here. So I decided, I said, you know what, let me address some few things because I've been quiet lately. I haven't been responding to certain things because I'm starting to realize that I have a voice. And my voice is, like, my name just easy for call. Let's be honest. My name is very easy to call. I notice that my name easy for call. Some people think some inner people drama, inner people mix up. People put me in that mix up sometimes. Sometimes I may know how to make the room shake and I do certain things. I say, you know what, let me go on YouTube and shout out to Baga Baga TV. I know some my workplace that. And Candy always accustomed me say, you have all this good content and you're wasting your time on Instagram. Guys, remember, let me see. Let's hit my goals. Let's go, guys. Hey, TikTok. So I'm on TikTok at the same time. Yeah, so we got our hand heart goal. But yeah, first thing first, where do I start? Because today I was on a live and it was Amari. Everybody knows Amari cuss me all the time. We have like a love-hate relationship. She has her opinion, I have my opinion. Sometimes she tell lies, sometimes she tell truth. But either women are really too pure in her mind, you know? Yeah, Amari, DJ, Mona Lisa. And I've come to a realization that everybody will not get a response from me because I actually have a name. I noticed that I have a name that people are triggered. And once they have the opportunity, if they hear anything negative about me, they decide to sit on my name and talk about certain things. So I said, who's better to talk about me or interview me than me? So this is what I decided to do. So I said, I'm going to come on YouTube. I've never been on YouTube live and go from there. So we're going to jump right into it. Make sure you guys press like, subscribe. Some of you Ponder Live. That's where I'm at on YouTube. And I'm probably going to start coming over here more often. So there's this whole Amari and Lion situation because Amari was cussing me. I seen her on Pink Walk. I'm tired for telling us that I really don't follow people. I mean, I care how big them name is. I don't follow certain individuals. Me and Amari have a love-hate relationship. I respect her as a content creator. As mad as she may seem, I've told her this to her face and behind her back, she's an amazing content creator. Even if she a lie or tell truth, whatever she does, she's good at what she does. She keeps you guys listening. Even when you don't want to listen, we say, oh, that mad gal, yeah. Ray. So, Lion. So, earlier I was on Trending TV. Yes, I shout out some of the bloggers. Them, y'all going to see me do that. I give respect to respect is due. I was watching one Trending TV. So, me say, Amaria said, Lion said that I want him. I noticed from the Queenie and Dewey situation, and I take things way too far. I noticed from this little Queenie and Dewey situation, I need enough to understand, and I'm going to say it again. Remember, it's my first time on YouTube. The Dewey and Monique saga was a storyline. I've never had sex with him, never was attracted to him, never wanted nothing. Then I hear some people say, oh, you wanted clout and fame. No, I naturally went in as a genuine person saying, listen, your wife has a big following base. They're going to drag you to the ground. I don't know how much times I have to say that. That was the discussion that we had. We know say a lot of people are scared of him. Who wins a fight? Listen, when I don't write certain things, I make me distracted. Big up on yourself. I know some over here so back and forth. So I'm not gonna really address on know some love address on Thank you for tuning in. But I'm on YouTube. But I said, let me come in my TikTok. Remember my live gold. Yeah, so I really wanted to get into Lion and Amari first. But I'm going to go Queenie and Dewey. Once again, I felt like it was a person. I know how social media is. Social media, as social media influencers, they will drag you to the ground, especially in the Jamaican community. It doesn't matter if you're right. It doesn't matter if you're wrong. It's who has the bigger following base. That is just it. Good night, guys. So I approached the situation as a friend and said, listen, we're going to work on music and we're going to do X, Y, Z. I've never had sexual intercourse, never had any sexual content, never had any intent to be with them because I am really I will say it 1,000 times, I'm not attracted to men that bleach. That is just not my type. I'm attracted to assertive, dominant men. If anybody goes down my track record, I love dominant men. So certain men, I'm just not attracted to. No disrespect to everybody who loves what they love. That is fine. So, so recently, so I noticed with that people have been approaching me, and it's crazy, asking me to do storylines with them, men, the way I did with him, because they want clout, because they want attention. I've never did a storyline a day in my life. Dewey was the first storyline I've ever did, and I never intend to do it again. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Because I base my social media off of telling the truth. If I'm there with 10 man, I'm going to tell you I'm there with 10 man. I'm going to try to push my life out to be more than it is. I talk my real business. I notice on social media, everybody want to be somebody that they're not. That is not me. If me a robber, I'm going to tell you say me a robber. If me a scammer, I'm going to tell you say me a scammer. If I sell front, I gotta tell you some sell front. Because to my concept is anything in the dark must have to come to light. That is just me. That's what I build my foundation on. So I notice men are coming to me now, but like, hey, come like make we do our relationship for clothes or whatever, whatever. And it's fucking annoying. I'm not gonna curse. I'm trying to be decent today. And it's annoying. It's annoying. Like, it's annoying. Like, uno man coming like some girl. And one thing me take pride in her is that I build my name for myself. Remember my ungoal them guys. Thank you. I build my name for myself. Me have a list of things. So the list, yeah. I'm going to write down in that car real quick on a piece of napkin. Some things that I want to address because I've been quiet lately. And I feel like I just went through the storm where I'm like a new level. So certain people I'm not gonna answer to again. Like, honestly, the Queenie and Dewey thing behind me. If they want to get up and call my name like last time when them did I take up for RT Diddy as a child offender, that's their business. Me, I don't attach myself to certain things. Once I'm tired, I'm very vocal. I'm going to say what I want to say and I move along. So here we go. So never been with Dewey, don't want to do it. I don't care what to say. It was a storyline. Long story short, do I regret it? I've never said this out loud. I regret every moment of it. Because honestly, I went in with a genuine thing saying that I was going to help a friend. I've never sent cross signals. I've never told nobody I wanted a man. I made sure I used the word dating. But true people like to eat up anything I don't know gullible. That's what Una do. So me use the word dating to let people know, say, although when him go talk to other people, because he's talking to several people, so me not look like clown. You understand? So that was just my thing. Why do I turn my accent on and off? It's just natural to me. I'm born to Jamaican parents and I'm American. So it comes back and forth. Who knows no? Who knows no? Thank you, babes. Thank you, guys. So, I got a few topics. So, lying now. I know me. Me no say Amari a madman. Mad woman. Sorry. Amari DJ Mona Lisa is a mad woman. She mad no blood clot. We not go round it. We not go sideways. We not go over there. So we not go send her. Amari a mad woman. Enough time Amari cost me all 6 months and me not answer. Me don't respond. But you see when she cost me over things when me not do, not make sense. I would never ever want Lion. Me hear she said to her, say, me did I watch trending TV and she said, oh, Lion said me did want him. Lion is not my type. Lion has been calling me. And I think the last time Lion called me, Lion looked like he was Lion was looking me. I have to tell no lie. And when lion attack, you can see that it was a clout chasing thing. Me no need no clout. Me can do my real clout. Me can do clout myself. One thing me know for shake room, me very controversial. From I go over to Lava Sound and them name me go through it, I know exactly what I do. Well, I'm turn on the AC. It's hot in here. Well, it is very hot in here. Yeah. Okay, that's better. Okay, guys, I've been drinking wine, so yeah. So anyway, I don't have time to answer one. Usually I answer everybody, but it's not on a time now. So you can type your life away and write what you want to write. And not on a time now. I'm not really too penny on. You know, hear me saying at the beginning of the PSA, I say I only answer certain people now because I know my name is of substance. So I can't tend to no regular people. You understand what I'm saying? When I want at the end, I can ask all the questions you want. Even if you don't want me for rub on a little bit when I write on disrespectful things, I would gladly answer on them. Anyway, so like I said, Amari is a mad woman, right? The first time I interacted with Amari, I used to do Suh Mi Feel Pon the live. I used to interview people. I remember someone asked her for your interview and she did tell me $300. I looked upon her and I said $300. But at the time, I guess she never knew who I was. And that time there, I just a comp on social media. I did have my own following base. I built myself from the ground up. Nobody really built me. When I started going on people platforms, yes, they brought me followers, but I already had my thing going on my own. Shout out to Lava Sound. Me always big up Lava. Him name I go through it from. I go up on the live, I'm say, yeah, I catch your wood down my mouth, I'm a breathe through my ears. So Lava name I go through it. But Amari did over there the time, and you know, so she and Lava did have a little saga. You know, say Amari, she cuss you today, she like you tomorrow. She like you today, cuss you tomorrow. I realized that from the beginning. I had asked her for an interview. When I asked her for an interview, she told me that she want $300. And me, I look upon her like it's COVID. Everybody I go upon live, whatever, whatever. Me never appear in her mind. So I'm go over to Lava so now, chat and laugh. And I said to her, I said, listen to me. Mr. Lava, you know, some ask Amari for your interview. And Amari tell me say she want 3 bills. And I said, I wish me did have 300 pum pum here for take out and put in our envelope and gear. But you me not here from my friend. Me can't get she. I knew she was watching. Thank you, babies. Thank you, babies. I'm trying to hit my life goal. So at that time now, yes, I'm dressed in an all black car funeral. It's slightly funeral settings. At that time, no, she came in my DM. She was like, hey, I would do an interview for you, whatever, and I'm not going to charge you. My manager's going to reach out to you. The manager did reach out to me, but I just never responded. Long story short, later on, I went on her live one day, and it was about Blinger. So she did a Cosmos Blinger, but the child, thank you, babes. Thank you, guys. I see the hand hearts when y'all put that up. When I see the gifts, y'all know I'm going to see the gifts, baby. I'm on TikTok, too. And, I remember when, so she was cussing Blinger. That time them used to go up on Blinger platform. I always know Blinger never liked me. Me used to go up on Blinger platform because I'm a provoker. That's what I do. I'm going to provoke the shit out of you if I know I can. Because I used to see certain things. Because Blinger used to slick put me up when people were disrespecting me. So I knew she never liked me. You understand? So I'm bold-faced. I will know that you don't like me and I'm going to interact with you. That's what I do. Just to show you that you can't say that shit to my face and you're going to interact with me. So I used to go on Blinger's live. And Amari, I know she seen me over there. And she was cussing Blinger one day. And I was like, add me to the live. And she add me. And she said, who named Momo? I don't know nobody named Momo. I said, of course you know me, Amari. But I'm not paying you no mind. But this is why I said she's a great content creator. Because up until that point, if no one knew better, Amari didn't know who I was. She not know nothing about me. I'm just a person on her live that she just added to the live. So anyway, me ask them, so what you on Blinger of? At that time, she started telling me about the situation about Blinger daughter being touched by her baby's father and how Blinger borrowed money from her. And one thing with me, I pick sense out of nonsense. Yes, I'm married to lie for content creating. Thank you, babe. For content creating. And she may say certain things, but she's content creating. Sometimes she not ashamed. It is what it is. But that day when I sat down with her, I knew she was telling the truth. She was into detail and her story never changed about the situation with Blinger and her daughter being touched by the man. And apparently she Blinger had took some money from her and never gave it back because she needed her daughter to be removed from the home. One thing about me, everybody knows I'm gonna play with child pedophilia. From me saying I'm not child pedophilia, I gotta deal with you like RT Diddy, who wanna call RT boss, the fake Obia man. That has been working Obia upon me since last year of what? December. We're in August, and I want to tell you that my life have been flourishing. But I soon get to you, RT Diddy, because you're definitely on my list. So, I was over there and she was telling me about Blinger, but me no say Amari style. Amari, I gotta talk to you, friend you up, and cuss you. That is just it. And at that point, I'm watching Amari. I watch Amari for years. And I'm like, Amari is a great content creator. Even if she's talking crap, you guys love negativity. That's what you guys live for. You guys love crap. You don't like positivity. You don't love when people are bring down people. That is just the truth. When we talk positive, no one listens. Once someone say negative about us, uno that, uno black on front page, uno type and uno sitting. All if you don't believe or not believe, uno sitting and uno is entertained. Hold on. Right? So after the Amari saga, she sat down. She was telling me about the Blinger thing. That time, come, I did go over there for defend Blinger, you know. Come here, I said, why Amari? I said them stuff, yeah. But when Amari was talking, you can't tell, so her truth, she did not tell. So after that, no, when she done talk, I said, cuss me now. And she said, Mama, see your body. How your body look good. And I said, cuss me now. Come in our style. I know say she friend you up and then turn on and this year. Amari style that. She end up cuss me, say, I got dead from cancer in 3 years. And this and that. I'm gonna be over here now. I'm gonna try to do this often, at least once a week. She went on she went on her cuss me on her page, and she cussed me, I'ma cuss her back, and she cussed me, I'ma cuss her back. And then after that, me end the live and I'ma go back. She said, where's Momo? And she had me back, and I said, and I made out, I didn't even go back on, but I was like, one thing I gotta tell y'all, Amari DJ Mona Lisa is a great content creator. I've always said that. I've never hid and tried to downplay no female on this. The only people me disrespect, if you disrespect me. I never disrespected Queenie first. Queenie did have the accusations against me first. And that's why, at that point, I said, fuck it. And then she did go to a point where there's no return with me because she's someone I always watch. I like to watch people that tell their real life. You understand? If they're my dog shit, at least we know them a dog shit and they're owning up to the dog shit. I can't take like a fake life thing. I soon get to that too. That they're on my list. Anyway, so me and Amari, she was like, come back. Oh, you know, I actually like Momo. After she crushed me, said she like Momo. Even though Amari dragged on my pussy tongue. Amari will cuss me for like months straight when she feel like. And if somebody else rub me, she'll rub them. That is it. She'll tell you, say, she'll cuss me. I say, oh, and then turn around and cuss the people. Them and say, don't cuss mom or whatever. We have a little love-hate relationship. It is what it is because I understand the dynamics of social media. And if other guys don't know, she understands this shit to a fucking T. It is what it is. She don't care what you guys think of her, what it is. Anyway, but I'm not really too big you up America. May I get to you? No. So anyway, Lion's been asking me to do an interview. Because he said he wants to do a tell-all on Amari. He wants to tell all her secrets because, you know, apparently they were together. And me already didn't know it's a storyline, but I guess I'm supposed to sleep with her or whatever. So he's been calling me and asking me for an interview, saying he wants me to interview him. It brought me back to the Dewey and Queenie situation. When a person draws to me, it's because they know I can manage. I have no fear out here. There's nobody out here me feel big around me. And you see my mouth not have no limited. And the way I face it, me just cuss you and ignore you. The way I not care about clothes, all when the big people with the big name say, add me to this live, like I've done Queenie several times, move your blood clot. I don't care if you have 3,000 followers, and me have 15K. Move your blood clot, you know, more than me. So that me depend, you understand? So when Mr. Lion keep on, I reach out to me saying want an interview, and the more he's talking, it's like a breakdown thing towards Amari. Amari over there cuss me, you know. Because them a tell Amari say about me, they're out there with Lion. Lion is not my type. Then to them, me hear she say, oh, Lion. Say, me did I look him. Lion, do not do them little narrative. They can me have a type. You're not my type. Lion, you call me 1:52 in the morning when my man in my hole and 2 hours I look over up on the phone. I wonder who is calling me 1:52 a.m. in the morning. Man, well sinking in my hole and the 2 hours I look over. I wonder. Because if it's not the kids, no man supposed to call me. So now when me hear Maria say, oh, me. Command you, I know Lion from 2020, from him in a tub and name food or the certain things. Me not understand why Lion would think I've never flirted with you, Lion. I've never looked at you in that manner. You're just not my type. You remind me of one of them country Jamaican man. I love my man them Jamaican, because I love Jamaican man. But them have to have some little modern swag to them. Some little Americanized swag to them. You understand what I say? Them have to know when to turn it on and turn it off. Because I'm American. At the end of the day, my parents are Jamaican. So, when you come, when me ever did I run it on Lion? Come here, Mary, send me that line. Then me, she said, oh, you want Mama to be the sacrificial lamb. Which me know so I can manage my own. Because none of them girls can bring me down. I marry you, though you couldn't bring me down. I mean, I'll bring you down enough. I'm just answer you when I feel like. Remember, say, you called my phone last time. I said, Mama, why you don't stop calling me name? After you cost me for about 6 months and me just do one live, I answer you. That's what I do. I get to work out here. I learn all about social media. I don't take on it serious. Me know my name is easy for call. So the other day when Lion approached me, I felt like he was trying to do a storyline. And like I just said, do I regret doing the storyline with Dewey? Yes, I do. I am the one that told Dewey to go back to his husband, to his wife. Because I see the way that he was living. You have some woman who out here and take care of man. Me not take care of no boy. And me and him never in them realms there anywhere. Me and him never had no money conversation. So when me see a boy like Louis come on live and say me broke, when me can post up and show say December when me come to the $13,000 in my account, I'm a transfer over $9,845 because I drive Uber. I'm in that car every day, 12 hours a day, 6-hour break, and then I drive Uber. When them gal talk about Uber driver, I'm not on government assistance. I don't get anything from the government. I bust my bottom, because we're on YouTube so we can't say certain words, for my own. So when me hear certain waste man who have to depend on a woman for have a life and live a certain way, me I go address you know. If you don't notice, when I was doing the storyline with Dewey, I kept saying to him, listen, we're not going to focus on no negativity. I did not cuss Queenie not one time. That's all time. There was a video where I was crying at my man. On the same did I cry over Dewey. That is social media. Uno wicked, uno evil, but I will feed it on to Uno. So the time when I do the storyline with Dewey, I made it very clear. I said dating. Because I know he's talking to several women. But at the same time, do I regret it? I'm going to say it again. Yes, because it wasn't worth it. I expected him to stick to the script of me helping him as a friend. As soon as I started dating his friend, I saw the dynamics change. So, Lion, why would I do this with you now? When me could I benefit? Amari have name, me have name. Why you wanna tell Amari say me I look you? You call me the other day and I flirt and I ask him my man side of me and then even I talk about my man a program me and you not like this money. Nobody can program me. Me can't team. Me meet man before and after social media. I choose this shit. I made so much money off of this. Why I'm so dedicated to social media? Because social media paid for my cancer treatments. When I need radiation shots, it was $8,995 a pop for a shot. Social media paid for this. I don't know about most of you guys, of what you guys do with your time on this shit, or if you just want clothes and not getting out of it. That is not me. I benefit very well off of social media. I will never downplay this. I will never cuss social media. Yes, you have the little dark shit them, but The way people, and I sold clothes. So it's not like me did sit down here and beg. I just start up on TikTok. I just start up on TikTok. I never sit down and beg. I sell clothes. I promote myself. I did parties. I did hosting. I was on the radio. I did interviews. I promoted the hell out of myself during COVID. So before I went on any platform, no one individuals can say that they build me. There's certain people that I respect. Big up Lava Sound. Because when I go over there, chat and I still had a laugh at the biggest show during COVID. Everybody know that. And from a go up, my personality grab Lava, and me always big him up. And him name me go through it. Then me go over the Yankee side, over Queen's Flip the network, want to sip on Joe Budden podcast. Him welcome me into where we all call each other family. For me, like most owners, like I kept explaining to Dewey too, because he's the next one too. You have a name because of a person. Me not have a name because of a person. Just like when I go to the interview, you thought, I hear people say, oh, I was using you for clout. I could never use you for clout. Me did have my name as a person. You're just known as being somebody's man. I am Momo. My name is very easy for call. On all platforms, everywhere. So right now, I was triggered by this though. Come here, say Lion. It looked like me even look on Lion and say, come like you did a want to rob Amari, you're using this clout. Go on your own platform and talk. Why do I have to interview you? And time after again, when me make me interview people, people approach me for interview, you hear say I mean enough. You hear say I mean the people in business. But I have to tell you say them make me in them business. People come approach me all the time. But like Lion, oh me have hiccups. You're not that person. What? You did do it that's nice. Whatever the fuck you want to say. No, you knew. It don't matter where you know, because we don't care where you know me from. Because I know where I'm from. Because doing a have name like Lava Sound and Chat and Laugh, and that's where I come from. Most people know me as Go Throat, so you're very enough, miss. Maybe your internet never did a work. Maybe you couldn't go up and Chat and Laugh. But yeah, one Chat and Laugh, one Lava Sound, and that's where I come from. No boy can bust me. But they come like, oh, the moderator removed them already. So it make no sense my answer you. Sorry, guys. I multitask. I happen to look at a little scumminar over there. But yeah, so cloud can't feed me. Cloud can't feed me. That are the thing. A lot of, big up yourself, mama. A lot of the people and what you see on this internet where they call themselves social media influencers are broke. They're hungry. So that's when I get up and drive Uber every day. They judge me. Oh, you're Uber driver. Yes, I'm an Uber driver. I will never stop. Can you send in a request, Prophet? I don't think I can send in a request this way. I don't know how to do it the other way. Uno broke. Them hungry. And Uno will take on a loss to send to them because the name that they have. I rather have money in real life than to be broke and hungry and sit on social media feeding us a facade. Press the like, guys, for me. And feeding us a facade to people. That's the difference with me. Right now, if I'm hungry, I'm going to tell you I'm hungry. I'm going to tell you I'm hungry. I'm going to soon get to that too. I'm going to tell you I'm broke. I'm going to make you know, say, oh, right now, I'm not have it. Right now, I'm rich. Right now, I need to get upon a certain level. Oh, wow. Juice, behave yourself. Me not even I mention them people their name Juice. I soon get to that too. So at the end of the day, so I don't care who want to say, thank you, baby. Watch when Fargo come through, she come through, baby. Fargo, I got a crush on you, baby. I think you're gonna be my new girlfriend. My wife, Fargo kill me. Yeah. A lot of you guys, I'm on live on Suh Mi Feel Pon YouTube. A lot of you people will give your last to people just because of the name that they have. You know why I take pride in myself on social media? Because when they say Momo, they say Momo Ann. I've had the best of the best call my name. I've had the best and the best argue with me. All when they're bigger than me, them come down to my level. Them come down to my level and them answer me. Yeah, I'm going to tell Nicole. Them answer me. I make the best of the best answer. That's a fact of the matter. We soon get to RT Diddy. I'm going to show you how I maneuver. The best of the best answer me. Me interact with the best of the best. So there's nobody out there can make me feel lesser or bigger than myself. Because when I come on social media, I came on social media, I talk about my homelessness. I talk about poverty. I talk about molestation. I've talked about, thank you. Thank you for my live goal. 50% live goal, babies. Thank you, Fargo. And I've talked about things that broke me. I talk about mental health. I talk the same things I talk about going to Dubai to get a piss on because I knew that a lot of females were doing things for people, for money, and then them come on the internet and I brag, so them have Benz and name brand, and the real hardworking people are sitting down and judging themselves and saying, Jano, yeah, me have our big list. And we're using and we're looking at people that have 9 to 5s and dealing with them a certain way. And 9 to 5 people sit down and I watch these things and I say, damn, look how that girl there fly out every minute. Them no know say either one little fat man them have to sell them soul to her, one little sugar daddy or somebody them not even really want to touch it in real life for them would have never posted a picture. Them no know say that they're getting degraded for men to do certain things to them for that money, for that lifestyle. And then you have the 9 to 5 that's breaking their back every day, going to work, paying their bills. They may not can get some of the luxury stuff. They probably pay their bills and broke at the end of the week, but their responsibility is taken care of, living up. Social media is controlled content. So that's why I always stay true to myself. You could have said 10,000 things about me. Thank you, babes. You could have said 10,000 things about me. Me not gonna feel no way. Because I talk my truth. I living on my truth. I know 7 times rice, 7 times salt. But as I was saying now, Lion, stop calling my name. It come to the point, so Lion even got a big interview. I'm look on him and say, let me tell you something. I love people business, but you want to marry business that important because this have to be clouds. But when me hear marry ball out today, I say, me, I look you. In a wish Bob McCloud world. Sir, you want to go down my truck? First of all, I love money. See, I marry a class, you say, don't think you're chef for put in a car. Me love money. If I 3 things, I'm a Taurus. Money, sex, and food. And the food come before the sex, because I can't fuck an empty belly. Someone want to know, when would I do with you? What would I do with you? When me hear Mary say me, you tell her say me did I run you down. Run down who? You don't see the man them a run me down out here like bolt. You idiot. Right now my front is trending. I soon get to that because I'm dating. I'm dating. My man, dad, and I've been dating because I'm not going to settle for any and anything. And whoever is entertaining my time at the moment, I'm a hot commodity. I make them feel like the world. So when me I go with you, Lion, you're not my type. I don't even think you can articulate a conversation off of the internet if I was supposed to have a serious conversation with you and talk about certain things. So when me could I run you down, I said me could I kill this? I'm going to say Amari have sense, back to body. So I tell everybody, when I say Amari, I rub me low Amari, because soon as somebody open their mouth, Amari, I got class, Amari, tell me some shape like one potato, one bag full of potato, and turn around. If somebody cuss me, I turn around and tell them, oh, mama, body look good. I'm not in the clout business. I just like to make people laugh. I like to entertain people. What me I do with you, Lion? And then me, I shall say sacrifice, but don't use the word there to Amari. It kind of trigger me because you can't use me as a sacrifice. Because remember, say me a bad girl Amari in a real life. I stand up to all of you. All I do I have more time. More time on talk, I'm a clout to get on the feelings. Me never come to the internet and ball over none of a girl yet. Me never talk about, oh my God, mama, stop. Can you stop? Why are you troubling me when you trouble me for clout? When you call my name for clout? Yo, me make the best of the best call my name, That's how I know to me a top contender out here, Me make the best of the best call my name, Let's be honest. Me make the best of the best call my name, and when my clout them back, them can't respond because them know. You know what they do? And this is the thing what you like to do too. Oh, I'm bigger than that person, so I now look. After I call my name, I'm responding. Remember, so I call on the name first, and I call my name first. I met the best of the best. All you pretty done. That other day cheese, me over cheese, I say me not honor manners. Pretty done, you're not supposed to say nobody not honor manners, pretty done. Yeah, me I talk tonight. Like a tailor put it on my system. Pretty done, you know, for say nobody na honor manners, because you don't have no blood clot manners, you don't have no blood clot limited. I remember say you trouble me first. Because you see, when the Dewey and the Queenie thing did I go, I would be okay if you're blogging. But you see, when you go lick me dead band, I have to slap up your foot bottom. And let me clear the ear too with your pretty done too. Your wife called me. Your wife them called me. And it make me know about the little cop calling and the beats up. And you know, say, when love me, people love me, and I'm like, must be a reason she called me too. Because you know, say, me never blood clot afraid. Me not afraid of no girl. What's been a play with man, so me not play with no boy girl. Yeah. So pretty done. I'm not even really focused on you. I just said I gotta say it out loud. Because the day me hear Jesus say, add Momo. I never did I go come up there with you anyway. Yeah, Momo and the manners. You don't have the blood clot manners. You gotta go on to somebody licking at your blood clot face. Oh, we're up on YouTube. We can't cost too much. You gotta go on. You see you? Let me tell you what I see. Because remember say me and you did a friend on internet, you know, pretty that. Let's be honest. I mean, it's to big you up because you used to come on my page. Oh no. To follow fashion. Remember good now? Used to stay up on my live with me. And then the girl when I never get along with you, never get along, you say, oh, I don't really want to come around people when I don't really like, you know. But you need to calm down. Because I don't be a woman, but I have a little sightseeing. You're going to make somebody licking at your face over clout, and it's not worth it. You don't feel like you don't want to disrespect people, and when them diss you back, you don't want to get in on feelings like you don't feel so like you don't really were outside. Because I never mind when you call me all sorts of things with the Dewey and Queen. Mama, we a big breast. Come here and say you just hurt. Anytime I stop being a friend, I'm reject on a friendship, on a blood clot, hurt. I learn that through the internet. None of you can make me get out of character. And if I feel like I want to get out of character, I must do the life for you. I say pretty damn, we can come and fly down, we can go outside and fight like two big pussy. They're on YouTube. Big front gal. That's what I said to you. Remember, say my page them always get take away, you know. Uno one day out in the open. Me no one day not out in the no open. I really travel. When Uno just a start fly, me a fly long time. Me a fat, what, 39. But upon my 5th passport, figure it out. Because more time the passport, them run out for me because they stamping. Now, them really not stamp again due to electronic things now. But me upon my 5th passport. Sometimes, on for realize says not everybody on can disrespect. Because even when you did that rub me with the Queenie and Dewey thing, me say, okay. And you know, so I never really me did cuss you and classy, but I never address it. But tonight, me address everything. You just pop up in my head because you're never supposed to be over here. Because you're not the on my blood clot list. But you know, I not to say you go around and you disrespect people. Because for some reason, you feel like you're higher than everybody. And to be honest, you don't have no content if you don't talk about anybody else. If you don't talk about somebody else's life, you have no content, pretty done. And I can't say that. Because I not go back and forth with no girl on internet, you know. Real talk, because you touch me dead. Sometimes you don't know you're limited as a boy, girl. I understand, say, due to the Jamaican culture that you grew up in, them kind of reject you. Them kind of, you know, you're Jamaican, you don't know where you fit in or where you fit out. So you want to inflict that hurt on other people. When your people, them wife reach out to me, you know, there must be a region they reach out to me. I don't know if you did that chat me to Camila or whatever, but them did reach out to me and say, and yeah, them send me the video when you did that go on with yourself, and then the police come out of your wife yard, and you did the pan live at about oh, you broke up with so and so. But you can't take that person because you chat everybody blood clot business of more lick for your foot bottom with a problem. If I want to clap up your foot bottom pretty down, it shouldn't be a problem. Because you lick me dead, man. That's the thing when I want to be man and butch. But you know, emotional. Una girl at the end of the day. That's just the truth. And then when I see you upon a like, oh, mom, on the manners. You're not on the manners, so if I have manners to, I don't even know if I call you when I'm on the manners. There's real life outside of this. You know, my belly bottom hurt me when my man dead. You know, it feel for God give you somebody will complete you. You will never know what the fuck that feel like. That's why I'm so miserable. That's why it's easy for me to be negative. Cause when I cuss a girl, I want to cuss people who trouble me. Me not trouble people when not trouble me. But you see, true, I'm full of love. I can't get up every day and just a class people. You don't feel for somebody to love you, will lay up on the ground for you, because no fun to talk about love, you know. But if you have love, or if you have love when you feel like you can't express and be what you wanted to be. One thing, you know, I grew up in a household where, remember, me had the first one born a foreign. I grew up with a father who loved me. Tomorrow, if I tell my father, my mother or my father say me a lesbian, them did not gonna love me the same way. They were going to love me. They were going to cherish me. They was going to deal with me the same way. They wouldn't cuss me. We come from a community in Jamaica where people bash you over your sexuality. So I understand why you're angry. I understand why sometimes you put on the clothes and want to be ling and a this and that because you don't know where to fit in. I understand why anytime something happens, you can vlog. You can vlog, you know, because you do a very good job at vlogging. But you see, sometimes you go too far where you disrespect people. I mean, I don't know if nobody will tell you. You go too far, like you feel like you're higher than everybody else. And all that was going on, all the information I've got from credible sources, because I talked to your wife, I'd never even mentioned certain things. The only thing me say, you go up and dance a hot seat and the man them say you look like you did one fuck, you start act like ling after a cup of drink. But you touch me dead man. And there's certain things, I will never threaten you people on the internet. But there's certain things I don't do. So there's certain disrespect. You see how the bigger the platform is, and the bigger the disrespect. It's like you don't know yourself and you don't turn around and apologize to a person and then you curse them again the next year. You know something I feel sad for you? Because tomorrow if my son come out as a gay male and say, Mommy, I like men, I still love my son same way, I not look upon him sexuality. Man, I say we grew up in a society in Jamaica where that is not acceptable. So them beat you, them bash you, them call you all sorts of things. You probably was fighting with your identity and sleeping with men after men after men and realized that you really just wanted to be with women but you wasn't accepted. So you see the day you go for my dead man, kind of on the principles and the moral, and then I see you go live talk. Me don't want nobody talk about my wife. You're rude and outside, so I must rude against you. I must clap up your foot bottom. And here and behold, when the shit went down, I got first class seats to you and your wife business. Never asked for it. And she's a wonderful girl. But sometimes you individuals are damaged. So you damage people while you not go on a journey. On a damaged people can know yourself. Camille is a wonderful girl. And then don't flick on the head. All of a sudden, oh, she want man, she want this, and she want that. Come live and talk about for your business. If you go class me, you know, I'm going to be dead man, you know. Not even a class, you know. I could have said anything. I never did answer nobody what did a class me about doing. I know it never real. But when if you go class me, I'm a dead man, will love me, will hold me to the ground. When me I tell you that band they would have dead for me, me not ask Christ. And give me one different type of love. No, me and you have a problem. Because I can guarantee you never experienced that love there. You don't know what it is for someone to love you where they will sacrifice themselves. They love you because even on days when you don't feel the feeling in yourself, they feel it for you. When they push you to your highest potential. A lot of other things say no love, but you don't know love can never get that. You don't know what it is for when him drop off the bike the day I jump out of my sleep and I text him. I say, you're okay while he's laying on the floor dying. You will never understand a soul tie and a connection like that. So yeah, that's all I have to say to you. I get everything off of my chest so I feel like. Next on the list. So the list, yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Fake friends on the internet. I felt like I have hit an all-time high with fake friends on the internet. In real life, I don't consider half these people my friends. I know today they say yes and tomorrow they say no. But I'm toxic. I'm a narcissist. I will know that you're not shit and I entertain you in my realms. I'll add you to my page. I know you don't like me. I know you'll be chatting shit about me. I don't know, guys. I'm entertaining. I'm using it for entertainment too, so I'm just as guilty too. You know, say you're dog shit and me just using it for entertainment. I'm going to be 40 next year. This last year has been a very, even this year to last year, from losing my partner has been a very hard and eye-opening thing for me. I come on the internet every day and I smile. I come on the internet and cry sometimes. But now I have to see my value and my peace. You see, for the name, and local, and me make people know, you know, me not answer, you know. Me clap on up a little bit, you know. Me go remind you to say on a bed. Me go remind you to say on a prostitute. Me go remind you to say on life miserable. Me go remind you to say on broke and really hungry. Me go remind you to say, yo, like, me full of peace and life is amazing. I'm always on a plane flying and men love me. Me go remind you once in a blue. But me not got dressed on no more. I will no longer entertain you. If you don't like me, stay off my life. And if me feel like you don't like me, me not add you up. I don't go on. Me just close one big chapter and one weight lift off of my chest. Me realize that. Hey, my wifey. Nicole Kitchen is my wife. Everybody know that. Wait. Are the Real Vibes Cartel that? That can't be the Real Vibes Cartel. You don't behave on yourself. Look, you don't need to stop use cartel name. Okay. I don't know, so that I'm about to free Addy. I never mention it, but free Addy. Free Addy. Matter of fact, I'm never going to put that on my list, though. I have to end that with Addy. Sorry, hold on. I don't know, so me kind of tipsy. We can't end this live today without talking about World Boss. Because I have a very important message for World Boss. Yes, I'm just add to my list. Of course, I know he's free. So let me say, free Addy and free up. Okay, no, we know. So I'll always say Gaza. Yeah. Me don't want a fake friend. Because in a real life, I'm a loner. In a real life, I stay by myself. I'm social on social media. And I've come to a conclusion that I have a dirty habit. Before my man died, he told me, he said, I'm just going to give you an example. He said, if someone give you ice mint, Momo, you hold on to it. You always say, yeah. Even if you know the person a dog shit, you say, but that person they give you ice mint. And you hold on to the ice mint there. That's what him said to me. And it's true. I'm loyal as shit. Because once I love you, once I check for you, I check for you. I start telling my friends that I love them. Even if I love somebody, I start telling them. I never used to use that word. For me to tell somebody I love them, it's like pulling a tooth out. And then I realized that I didn't grow up so affectionate like most people. But I know that I have empathy for people. So I know that some people are no good for me. But I always look at them and say, well, you know what? The person has stayed this way, but no, I'm having new page, baby. A person stays this way, but because I'm not judgmental, so I accept them for who they are. I'm not doing that no more. I'm not doing none of that no more. If you don't like me, if I feel like there's some type of energy, because we have a lot of friends who are in secret competition with me. You have a lot of people that hang around you because of who you are. You have a lot of people that will sit down, and these people are your downfalls, where you think you are elevating them. But then, like Mr. Me's a narcissist, so I have to take blame. There's people that are entertaining my energy because this is social fucking media. We know that people don't like when everybody love you. Because if 50,000 of them hate me, I have 100 grand worth of them love me. And that is just the truth of the matter. People do not like when people celebrate you or love you or give you ratings, especially when their real life is messed up. Especially when they want that spotlight. Especially when you're not perfect. I remember saying I'm not perfect, I'm going to talk my truth, And you have people who connect to me. You have people who love me. All types of people. Sometimes I look upon people and say, so careless. Why you not follow me? Where you follow me from? You're a decent woman. You're a decent man. Where you do I follow me? You understand what I'm saying? And then I realize it's my transparency. Even though some people are like, oh, Momo, keep certain things private. I'm not a private person. I've accepted that I'm a public figure. I've accepted that my downfalls, I've accepted that my worst days on social media when I'm crying save more people than I could imagine based on the DMs that I got. When my man died, I got over 20,000 DMs of condolences. I didn't expect that. I don't know where they came from. I couldn't even respond to, I didn't even respond because it was just like opening it and my world was already crashing. And I had to look at it. There was so much people that love and support me. So much people were telling me they were crying with me. So, and then I had warnings also because my followers, my supporters, they see certain things that I may not see. In time out, to be honest, I see it more time, but I don't really care if I see it. I will know you're a dog shit. I will know you don't like me. But I'm a narcissist, a part of me. I have a personality disorder. One of them are going to say, let's see how long this person is going to sit under your wing. Let's see how long they're going to torture themselves. Because I know myself. So it means nothing to me. But I realize, even if it doesn't affect me personally, I'm going to apologize to my followers. I'm going to apologize to my supporters on the behaviors that I have done. Having people in my circle that I know don't like me, even when I'm privately telling my wife, like, yeah, we know she da-da-da-da, and we're waiting for the moment. I didn't realize that it's very stressful on some of my supporters and followers, to the point where they have to come into my DM and say, listen, I know this person is your friend, but I don't like her. I will not be doing that going forward. I will not be entertaining that energy. I will not be doing none of that. If you don't like me, I'm a feel a little pinch or even a mad whisper from one of the mad people in my head, you got to be removed. I will not do that in the future anymore. I'm not going to lie, these past couple of weeks, my besties, because them call me besties, I call them blood clot besties, because me, my besties are my front and my children, them, because them never fail me yet. You understand? My pity them can't do no wrong in my eyes. I don't reach a point where I look for my pity them and say, I'm tired. All of them are 44, I can't tired of them because God give me assignment as a mother. So I can't give up on them. But there's people that really rate and love and respect me. And the time sometimes I focus on the negativity. I don't focus on the positivity. But you know, so I still got to ring out them nastiness when I feel like, if nobody feel like them can ramp with me. But now, so I see it, but I'm a big deal. I'm Momo. I'm a big deal. The best of the best has called my name. I'm a big deal. People run into me for clout. Little Momo. I'm a big deal. My voice loud. My voice is so loud. And to you, Nicola, that Nicola, everybody knows Din Din, I'm a wife. I owe her the biggest apology ever because she always tells me to stop. I'm not going to lie to you guys. And that's what real friends are supposed to be able to tell you when you're wrong. Real friends are supposed to be able to tell you when you stop. She always tell me to stop. She be like, you know, so this girl, Ray, me, I say, me know. But a little toxic part of me like the little fucker sometime. And no matter what, she'll say, all right, I understand. You know what you're doing. I trust you to know what you're doing. You see, when you have a person that doesn't have a jealous bone in their body, and they celebrate with you. When my man died, Nicola sat on my phone for about 2 weeks straight every night. And she waited until I fell asleep because I couldn't sleep. And she sat on that phone. Sometimes he would drop asleep, I'ma jump up and wake up. I'ma say, hello? Nicola, I lose sleep. Say, yeah, me here. But just I listen to your sleep. When God send you people like that, you don't entertain certain energies. That's what I had to come through these past couple of weeks. But tell us a couple of weeks, me not really too in on no God thing, on no Jesus thing, you know, but me grew up in a church. I pray over myself, I said, God, remove my friends, my enemies that pretend to be friends. I think that was the main line, me say. Because we are going to get to the RT Diddy thing. Because I see what RT Diddy, because him did have followers, people followed him. You say, are you Queen Nasty Bella? Soon get to you too. You're up on my list, mama. Because your name color, you have to go all across here. You see, when you have people that have followers and you realize that it's not the message. Sometimes it's the messenger. It's not what's right. It's sometimes who have the most followers is right. It don't matter when they're wrong. I seen where on social media, RT Diddy, all I did was record a voice of a young man saying he touched him. And you guys said it was lying. I was lying. I've seen RT Diddy go and tell everybody to report my account. And my Uber account was deactivated. Yeah. Off of false allegations. I've seen where people still supported him through these allegations. I've seen people remove the factual matter of me playing a voice recording. And they supported him. And let me tell you what the funniest thing now. Shout out to Spice. It took Spice, she have a big platform, yes, to play the same recording that I was playing for months. For you guys to listen. So some of the same one that was saying yes, just because Spice said it now, played the same recording that I sent to Rapper Cropper personally. And Rapper Cropper was big up to Rapper Cropper. He was one of those bloggers that didn't hesitate. When I sent it, said he's going to listen to it live and he's going to do an honest review. Because I've sent it to bloggers. Bloggers watch me and screen record me all the time. And they were cowards. Only certain bloggers put it up. Baga Baga TV, Ask Blondie TV, them one they did put it up. Somebody else too. Fret them. Yeah. Other than that, everybody tip it too. But me did that talk foolishness. Me did that cuss people. Me did that draw people down. Right? Uno da run and quick and post it. Then when me see him go for Itibu 1 and Itibu 2 at England, like him gonna give them 2 lions and them come out and say me did a lie. Uno run with it, you know. And it's me say, God good, you see, cause when me see the 2 Itibu boo them, the prince and the queen, whatever fuck them want to call it, England, run out. The next day I spice that with the boy upon the live, come and get ignorant, my head get hot and me, I'll DM the boy say I'm gonna talk. And I see where y'all still support a child offender. And I noticed that it's not your problem until it's your problem. And y'all don't realize that that's the problem. It's our community. It's in our circle. Not because it's directly you doesn't make it not your problem. That's the crazy thing. And I've seen where people were afraid to talk about Miss Blinger. Y'all waste gal. Y'all one of the biggest waste gal on the internet. Because you say after you and RT Diddy catch up now, you start class him and class him as a child offender like you didn't believe all the time before that. Y'all waste gal. You're the biggest waste gal on the internet. When me see you, me not even take you seriously. You know, some used to gimmicks in your face, because you're waste, girl. You're one of them where run down the cloud thing, like you run it down, and come over TikTok and you get a following base because people love drama. But at the end of the day, you're still a waste, girl. You're a big waste, girl. And then your response is, oh, I don't answer to them people you love. You can't talk to me because you're on welfare. All in my darkest hour, I'm not on welfare. I can't relate to you. My daughter could have never come to me now. Rasi coming like this. Why not talk? Take a sip, Momo. My daughter could have never confided in me and tell me, say, a man has touched her. And you went on the phone and you even confided and telling in people. But Amari said the same thing, say, I lie. The little girl I tell. So I wasn't surprised when you took up for a child offender, because you've been a cloud. People that know you on TikTok don't really know you. But you say, we have an Instagram. You know, say, we run you off of Instagram. You know, say, we run you off of Instagram. Clean, clean, clean. With receipts. That day, bling on me, I'll call your husband job, you know. It's not your husband, sorry. Andre, the baby father, when them say touch your daughter. Andre Stewart, I call the job. I'm there got clots in your back. But you see 2 more time he busy. And the cloud thing are not really my thing. And them say him still work there at the job place so I have. But then I got call him in a car. Right now I'm getting together. I want to do a defamation of character suit with someone on the dog shit who feel like I can't call me name. Because I feel like someone owe me some money. Feel like some Uber account shut down, someone need me some money. I feel like someone waste matter. Because before social media, the thing with Uno are nobody in a real life. I'm the first to tell you. Are nobody in a real life, no way, shape, or form. I have to give you 30 minutes, so I have to speed this up because I'm in the part. Are nobody in our real life, and try and make on yourself, because this is social media control content for act like somebody. Until people understand that, and people start like the people that will follow and make feel like somebody. In a real life, is dog shit. Is nobody. Nobody not known in a real life. Never live certain real life in a real life. If I never for TikTok or Instagram a certain money, wouldn't live life. Like, really a dog shit in a real life. Waste matters. Like, no want work for nothing. No want, no know how it feel to accomplish certain things. Yo, like, as a mother, you're so busy with the internet. In a real life, my kids, them are academically, like, great. I'm a dog shit. Like, my children are, when people see my kids, them, I soon get to that too, they don't even think that I fit the criteria to be their parents, because I don't give a fuck what, you too, baby. I don't care what you guys think of me when it comes to certain things that I say and do, but when it comes to my kids, them, refresh. Oh, they had to verify. I guess somebody acting up. When it comes to my children, I am an immaculate parent, and before anything, no could have called me anything. But you see when them report card them come in, you see when them accomplishment them come in, up until today, it's like every week is something new. So today my daughter pick her up, she have her new ranking on her shoulder, say ma look and certificate. Those are the things that move me. Uno like for see numbers. Uno like for see clout. Uno like for say likes, and all when I get the money in the life still no better enough to get up every day on TikTok. One this, one that. Beg, 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 beg. I better someone go walk, you know. And then the idiot people them too, because some of the people them are idiot. When I go around no to some are idiot. The same idiot, them some of them people are idiot and donate to a person who sit up on a chair all day while them a go to work and give out them hard money. All me for take on serious. Some I blame Uno. But in a real life, I will never respect someone Uno. None of the, all when you, I'm tired to tell you to, I bring a don't call me name. Because for weeks, when you did not call me name, I said don't call me name, but you don't want me on platform, and then the next time you want me, more than never. They must have done with it from Instagram waste girl. From a final say you make your pitney come to you and tell you say your baby father touch her. Me not look back upon you. From a go up on the live with Amari and me say Amari not lie. You could have 6,000 people upon me like, Momo, come here. No, I only love argue with each other and disrespect each other, then come up with each other. No, I come from a different era. I come from a different school. You see, a person like me I work from a 14 in America, and me not really too like my principles and morals. All when I talk about my throat and so good. My principles and morals. Because I have to look upon it now and say, yo, suppose I did my pitney this. I want to pick and choose when I want to do things. So I get you out of the way now. Come I try to wrap this up. You know, so I get tired easy as a big girl. Another thing. So lately, everybody knows I put up naked pictures in my bra and panty. I have 5 pin in my body, them body look good. 2011, I did a tummy tuck and I got a breast lift. I was a 34 HHH. I went down to a 34 D cup. Never touched my body. If I touch my body, more than business, cause cartel big up the BBL them. Or anything cartel say, uno do. One thing, more than afraid, cause my money would I buy it and none of uno buy it. But I realized so when I put on my picture, them on a love talk about, oh, you have children. What does my children have to do with my sexuality? What does my children have to do with being naked? My children can go live and say can Google anything and see naked picture everywhere. Sometimes I need to mind the business that pay uno. Sometimes I need to tend to on a picnic. Because you see when I not talk about how people picnic are going, because like me say, my picnic them is different type. Shout out to my son that's going into law enforcement. Shout out to my daughter that will be joining the military next year. The other one, she kind of a wild child like me. I know so I have to go deal with her because she coming like me. Because me not in a denial. I don't know if she going to be a rapper, social media. I don't know what she going to be right now. But I try to keep her right now. Shout out to them. And shout out to the two who are under them. Anna Rose, everything. Y'all need to stop wasting your time texting that shit to me because I don't care. I just felt like I need to do a PSA. My sexuality, my nakedness, whatever my throat has nothing to do with my children. They are children. When you did that grow up, you remember when them said, do as I do, don't do as I say, don't do as I do, and a child is a child? That me grew up as. So when me did a pitney, me did on the behavior. When me get big, me get unruly. Me never suck out till me at 18. Me notice say, uno just in on no feelings. And me notice say to one and vex with me, uno start cuss me pitney them. You know that now gonna make them what list? You know, so when uno cuss me pitney them and uno cuss me feel like uno just elevate me. God just start showing and put the light me. You know, see how me I grow. I'm glowing. So that I can find something else to do with that one day. Cause I need you to understand that my sexuality as an adult, I'm a grown-ass woman, have nothing to do with my kids. And there's Black China, there's Amber Rose, there's Kim K that just sponsored the Olympics that did a porn with Ray J. So if my friend supposed to bring me, it a go bring me. And right now, me and Dre probably about 20 sex tapes. So any day my head lick me, I'ma feel like me too broke. But that's gonna start the OnlyFans. But that's not gonna make me skin up my front and make on see, you know, it's enough back shot though. I have to make sure my body aisle down. Cause remember saying between my body kinda, it have the white mark there cause of the sweat, cause my body big. On a BBL girl I have to buy and get that, but me have that naturally. So it's not really too bad at me. That don't worry about. Don't worry about what I don't want to cause people love the children. Children are children. Because them not look upon you. And when you not cause people pitney and uno a mother, remember so that will follow up on uno pitney. Uno pitney will be a dog shit before film one. And me are the dog shit. And another thing too with the kids them cussing. If you're not a blood clot pitney, then it don't move me. Because no fun no one cuss people pitney and don't know it feel like to piss or pull out. I don't know if I walk with a pitney for 9 months. I don't know it feels for a baby for hear the heartbeat from the inside. You know if you feel when them put the baby in a one thing, you know, I always tell everybody why me have so much children. Come I could have lay upon table plenty time, cause remember so I send couple back to Jesus. But one thing, me love motherhood. You see, when me pregnant, it's like God humble me. All when me want ball and say, Jesus, me pregnant again. Me no want to do this. Me humble no blood clot. It's like God humble me. God give me something where me can't explain. Like, it's an experience where you'll never understand until you become a mother and carry a baby and feel your frontal rockle and you go through the labor pain and you go through all the work there for how much weeks, and then you see the finished product in your hand and you look on that baby looking at your eyes. And the only thing you see is like this child born to you depend upon you. That's why I could have never be a careless mother. But back to the dog shit now. That's the one for the one them wanna have pitney will have cuss about people womb and them something then I cuss people pitney. You don't know what it is to be blessed. That is a blessing that I've done again and again and again. And if me want to do it again, me can do it again. Just make sure you can do it. Cause someone get big and and a pitney, so no one cuss pitney. You understand? And you can adapt. Give that love to somebody indirectly. Alright, that was the children. My front business now. I realized that my front business is a big business. Yeah. Put on my lip gloss. Make sure my front me look nice for that one, yeah. I noticed that from a man dead. First of all, I've been in several long-term relationships. But I noticed from me a date. And me I run through a couple man I catch up next to someone or why I can't sit down and talk about my front business, sir? Yeah, but I have less profit. What you mean? Oh, my front business, but I wanna saw. Like, I just a catch up to someone who fuck 5 man in a 1 week. So right now, all if me didn't want to fuck 2 and 3 man in a 1 week, what the problem? I never fuck 3 man in a 1 week, though. I just started fuck 2. But yeah, so the problem is, I'm what I'm not like, I'm not like, we don't know if I stop telling life on my front, man. Stop telling life on my front, come and tell you who me a fuck. Unless the man a married man and I have to hide him. And I once in a blue, me little toxic, so I ring the blood clot. I go up on the fence and shake the fence and fuck the little married man and me not really go through the gate and ring the doorbell. I go about my business. But I want to know so where in my front business so much where uno just want day in my business. So I go. They must have me a catch up to only 10 man. 1 year, 10 years me there with one man. Another 10 years me there with another man. And the man just said 4 years. And in between my clap a couple of blood clot man. So the problem is, why my friend business trending? Me put up a man tomorrow no upset. What the problem is? And I like me, I hide the fuck, Then another thing now. Who knows no and who don't know though? Recently, me start put up Dre. All of a sudden, and I have everything for say about the man. All I want to know what they do is skin out crutches, who get crutches before, who get body before. I don't business who no man slap before me. That is not my business. Because if him have sense while him with me, him have to be picky and choosy. Because to be honest, no girl don't fuck the same man. I remember some I'm married to. Shout out to Palmer. Yeah. That's a top man. I'm too rude. I want to know how to fuck 5 man in a 1 week and I start get frantic and upset when I hear a man start talk about my friend. They don't call me big pussy gal and them something. They like, who, like me tell you say my friend big, me not promise no boy no tight front. So me tell you my front big, what the problem? Big boom boom mama. Stink? No, but I not take the stink though. Stink crutches don't live here. I not take the stink crutches thing. I have to behave on myself on the stink crutch. Because I now blood clot beard. I tell you say I beard twice a day. Minimum. Twice a day. You in the same clothes all 2 days on the gram and 2 days on ticket tack. You now brush your teeth. Get up out of bed and jump in a car. If you don't have car, because someone have to walk about. Like, Me no know it feel like for nobody tell me some stink. Or me for smell myself before I only smell me. So the problem is, we need to behave on myself on the stick. My crutches business though. Una give me too much man. Can you see when I ball out say more fucky and this who no have the man them a rush me. Remember say cartel used to post me. Remember say cartel are the first man me ever send pum pum picture to and me make song to. Why you know daddy? I think that the first video I ever sent to him. I send a naked video and pull my crotch in my panty to the side and make him see the front. Remember say me have the fattest pussy on the internet. One pussy jar with 3 kilograms. I mean there talk about. But anyways, I don't love my front. Me fuck. Me catch up to Uno. I not fuck for years. Me catch up to Uno man. Uno had that short front for years. Me can't even catch up to Uno. Call one and say 1, 2, 3, 4 man. Me have to start behave myself though. Cause me I say, boy, I get out of hand now. This dating thing is going out of hand. And most of the time me I want to move the man them. Then when you see me itch up on one place, one part, to start eat the man. Why? I'm too rude. Go on my list. Hey, Tickety Talk. But up on YouTube. No, them rude. Watch us host 400 odd people over yourself at Tickety Talk. You know, say no rude. You don't know I'm gonna come over here, come on, my hand goes. And like the live. I too much I want over here for them numbers they look so. Me don't know about TikTok, but me know that. To uno press up the like them. I'm have the hand goal. I need 8 more hand arts. That I learn from the beggy people them over here when I come over here and watch sometime. Thank you. Uno come on and arts. And like up the live. I appreciate you babies. Remember say me not no work, you know. Cause RT blood clot did it make them call into Uber upon me. But I learn how to behave myself. Well on me, I come back to one now. Back to the YouTube. The YouTube me soon come off. We don't know too. Here we go. My front business. Oh. Yeah. And then on stop tell like to them my husband call. And my husband in the car. No, my husband. Sorry, my ex-husband. In the car. And show me a profit side of me. Him a go tell profit, but my you run. You have to want to move the crutches there, because I move crutches there and one are stuck. So only for say my crutches bad and the man will fuck me for 10 years. I tell the man them I run after man them. Like you're not going too rude, man. You not like this to me. You hear him now? And I told you, self-recommendation. What? A self-recommendation is bad.
Self-praise is no recommendation.
I saw it go? Okay. So see me have live witness. Dre, the one that I'm mad out to no head. I make sure you go hit the link in my bio and get the Anaconda boxers. Cause and if your body too small, I guess it's gonna swing in it. But we prefer your body to be big still. We not like when no man have a little brief and a little part right there so saggy. You not look good. We not want you. We don't want you. So make sure no follow my Instagram. It's over there, so I have to probably put the link over here up on TikTok too. But anaconda.com, spell it for me. UNDAKONDA.com. Get to the boxers brief. Yeah, if I promote why I'm over here too, cause I'm a brand advisor. Hey, that's you know, say me fully qualified, you know, cause me I do branding for man brief. Cause me say Mr. Big Body What's up? So you get 3 in the park. See it here? See it here? Yeah, 3 coming out of the pack for $30. Quality. Cause me push my fat ass in there. I wanna know my body big. Quality. So yeah. So that a Dre brief them. Then I don't know talk about. That's what I said me cannot. Yeah, Anaconda. Thank you for typing it. Thank you, babies. Yeah. Thank you. And you know what? I'm gonna take this time out too and tell y'all. I've been on internet since 2020. At both of them. I got it. I know what I'm doing. I got it. I've been on I've been on the internet since 2020. And I've lost a lot of pages on Instagram because everybody know Instagram is my playground. I've been over, this is what, like, I had 26 pages, 24 page. That's my 24 pages, my main page, and I got some extra pages. And I really want to tell y'all from the bottom of my heart, thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Ooh, steer. Ooh, go. And it is what it is. Even if you press like, even if you subscribed, even if you reposted something, even if you made a comment, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And that's it. Thank you, Gems. And I just want to say that I want to get that part out of the way before I get back into my negativity. But I'm not really on no negativity. I'm just expressing myself. I really want to tell you guys that I appreciate y'all because people don't realize without supporters, without followers, there would be no social media influencer. And it took a long time. What's up, Miss Gems, baby? For me to acknowledge that little terminology. Because I used to be like, oh, me I don't know nobody role model. Me not give a fuck. Me just come on social media and talk. Until people come into your DM and tell you like, damn, you just saved my life today and I'm going through something. Or a lot of people will come into my DM and say certain things to me about suicide, about molestation, about certain things that it's like, it's like, you know what I'm saying? Everybody throw them problem in our one pile. You would have take it back. That's how I feel when I get in those moments. Like I'm overwhelmed and I'd be like, I would be ungrateful not to be thankful for what I have and the experiences that I've been through because my experiences have saved a lot of people and I'm very grateful for that. And even sometimes I get overwhelmed when even sometimes if I go somewhere, sometimes people just hear my voice and say, wait, you look familiar. They be like, I know your voice. Get up on social media when I say Momo. That stands out. You understand? So I want to tell you I appreciate y'all. Even as followers and supporters, know y'all worth. Know that y'all in control of some of these people that y'all promoting. Real talk. Know y'all worth. Know that you guys are in charge of the people that y'all promoting. Without no supporters or followers, sometimes I want to feel like a certain fuckery though. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I promote some things that not even make sense. I don't know if blame me now. I want to blame me now, but I ain't talking about uno for blame. I can't believe so much people over here.
How much people have TikTok?
I'm just attack my business. Uno knows, But press the like, then I make the life go up still. I like,
Pussy clad, them swarm you.
Come know this I go record and then people come take what they
Yo, what's
want to
that?
take. This is YouTube.
Oh, you got YouTube.
Yeah. So this is Dre, guys. Y'all
Yeah,
can't see him on
people
YouTube,
shout
but
out.
who know Dre, know Dre. But yeah. My route, I go over lava to the ear lava said to me.
I saw you on.
Him said something to me about man. Me said, no, Dre, I'm old right now. You know, so I
Yeah,
need help.
you need help for real.
Yeah, I need help. But too honest.
Yo, shout out people. Yo,
Yeah,
ensure.
this is Dre, guys.
Yo, ensure to check out we do a little. Yo, ensure to check out the boxers brief. You understand? They're on Shopify. You understand? Just put in www.underkanda.com. Now, me eat some rice and peas and chicken.
Can I have rice and gravy?
Yeah.
I don't want no meat.
Yeah, underkanda.com. You understand? We have them in a large, extra large, 2XL.
Dre box is bad,
Support
bro.
the movement. You understand? So we are rock one now. This is the grey one. We are rock one now. You understand? So I'm gonna support the brand. Amari brand is me Underkanda. Amari brand. You understand?
I'm the brand ambassador. Unfortunately,
brand
as a
ambassador,
woman, I
you
don't
understand?
understand. Maybe through
Dre
my
cut
front
him.
fat, it look
Yeah,
like
me cut
body.
me here, so you just check out the thing. You understand? You can follow me on TikTok.
No, he didn't go to August Martin. He's been on live. He's been Jem. He been on live with us all this time.
No, yeah, I wanna show out. Yeah, follow me on TikTok as Dre Gotti. You understand? So.
But you go it. We soon get to
Yeah,
that.
support
Cause
the thing.
me I gotta end this and then we go over here. So I have two more things now. But yeah, pay attention to who y'all supporting. Real talk. Pay attention to who y'all supporting. Know y'all worth as a supporter. It is what it is. Whenever I plan to stay so long with you, tell you somebody that have my list. Dirty RT boss and Bella now. Come and sister una war. Bella, you coming like the M ride in a able boss bottom to RT. I noticed we have big woman, where big woman when everything was going on. You were so adamant for RT. Like he didn't touch the little boy. Like you were like, you have to be the M ride. In a RT Batsa. You saw me see the picture of Able Boss Batty Wall. Able Boss, you know, say me and your friend, but you know, you get offended when people talk about your bottom and them something there. But we used to be friends, and I know say you're sensitive, but you know, me not really too care. Cause we are not friend again. But, and that too, as a content creator, I notice say you get emotional when people start talk about you. You have to know when you talk people business able, people are gonna clat you back all the way have with dear. Remember that on social media, all of us have our days. But that am right, but today I will make you skin at your bottom, boy. But I'm not gonna able chop your chop Louise. Me know you chop Louise, you know what you did at the boy, cause you do the same thing to pretty. Anyway, but that's about you. But just have ADHD, so I'm gonna get sidetracked sometimes. But yeah, Bella, it's funny how you and him catch up now. And he's this, and he's that, and he's Ray. Remember good now, you see my Uber account, Bella? Cause me not gonna lick you while it hot, you know. Me I go wait till the soup cool. You hear me here? You go up on live on the boat. Harty, why they saying I'm the one that called Momo Uber account? You are the main one up there while he was talking, promoting the fuckery. You are the main one up there talking about, yeah, we're gonna call the girl account, but now he's a child offender because you and him catch up. Yeah, you see all on a big one on a week out. On a week out. On a slow, on a redundant. On a love talk to people. How will me just get? Oh, come on, and gold, baby. We need 4 more and art. Yeah, thank you. But your baby never send me the $100. You trick me. But thank you for the hand art, though. You trick me. They're supposed to send me the cash app. What happened to the cash app? But I look for you to, you know, your baby. Yeah, like, you might bust the hand at them, though. You trick me. Right now, you need to send me one little, whatever costs $100. You're not even, no, send the cash up card cheaper. Cause TikTok are going to take off it. But anyway, yeah, Bella now. It's so funny when the whole allegations was going, you were sitting under there, RT. You know, say someone a big woman careless. You know, say someone a big man on the structures, and I can tell so someone in a grow in the father. Because from somebody who have a little bit of fame, a little bit of name, call on a name, only just coming like some groupie. Me say when you go over there, say, Auntie, why they saying I'm the one called Momo job? Bella, me not ask Christ if I can call back your job, you know? Me not ask Christ if me not call back your job, Bella, cause you are one next one, the name beautiful over there. Me not know, but me have the screen card in my phone. Oh no, did I go hard, come on, know how me for sell crutches and sell drugs. While me I drive Uber, every day I have people in the background. But you know what? With every curse, there's a blessing. Because I became very grateful. You see, these financial changes that I feel, I didn't realize how blessed I was making about $400 a day. I didn't realize that a lot of people are only making $100 a day and they are surviving. And pick up yourself, Bianca. I didn't realize that. I didn't realize. So it kind of grounded me, restructured me, and reset me. But Bella, me not ask Christ if me not call back your job, come me have all the information just sit down in my phone, so. I'm gonna lick you when you least expect it. I'm gonna wait till it's like Christmas time, where you think it's holiday. I'm gonna want your ball, because I never ball when I don't take my account still, you know. I'm gonna show you say I easily led and do to the internet. And look how the man turn on and disrespect you as a big tearing blurt now woman. We could have been woman turn on and diss up your ass because you're a real follower. But your name Bella, Queen Bella, we say name out Amari crutches. Amari say you name out her crutches. Amari say you still pay for any day me would have, me not even pay food, much less pay for crutches. Me not look on you. So when you say RT Diddy are telling about call money Cuba, you never think same guilty then. But then I believe this whole time. No. I true you want like a worthless, big careless woman in our blurt not 60s close to retirement and a sense. True no one walk here there everywhere once you don't feel like somebody on social media and don't feel like you don't know them like on the night. Just because you don't want to be somewhere where you don't belong. Because in real life sad. But your life not sad yet. You say everything, me never ball. Me never really ball for the job still. But I going, see, Queen, hey Bella, one thing me brawling, you know, everybody know me turning now. RTD did never tell you. You never see me deal with him with the pitney them. You know, sister, me not stop till Spice go live with it and the boy. Once the boy go live, you know, see my job done. Cause the feds are sit down and watch him and I work on them case. I am not the entity to play with. Hey, you know what I'm coming like? I'm coming like bedbug. Yeah. And what them call bedbug at Jamaica? Chink. Yeah. I'm coming like chink with hard to get out. Can you see when me text set? Me text set you have to burn down the house to get rid of me. I ain't say to me no say me I got hell. Me prepare for the eat long time. So I gotta deal with your big front Bella. And you're not gonna know when it a come. I say when me deal with you, I deal differently. Me's a mad girl, you know me. Them never tell you. Them never tell you. So I make people like class me and cuss me out for 6 months. I just get up on you, got a blip. I say everybody call Bella job and post that Ross. You don't know my ton. You see, cause you know you have to learn one thing. Yeah, my granny always tell me. When you dig one grave, dig two. One for me, one for you. Because you can't mess with the righteous. You say, more time, you have to learn as big people. Where you're supposed to look at your big tearing blood clot woman and sit down on Instagram and try to get validation here, there, everywhere. You're a fool, no rasta, act like you're educated. Alright, babe. Where the gravy at?
It's in there.
Oh. But, oh, that shit is hot. But yeah. So remember, your time soon come. RT did me here over there, put me next to Alta, next to Spice, all them thing there. Me not too really busy about you, know, RT did you know, say you water down in your life sad. You see how everybody happy the other day when Cartel come out of prison? Hey, I saw me I got happy when you are going. You see when the feds lock on your door, brother? Me tell you something, I go sit down on bench till my body hurt you. But in the meantime, RT did it. Work all the hobby that you need to work on me. Because I just see Spice elevating. So I'm excited. Come here, so you send off some things to Obeah man for me the other day. I want to tell you, say me a glow. Me don't know, I wonder if I true the Obeah man where you send to Africa. Cause, hey, me not gonna lie, you know. Them past couple of weeks, yeah, me don't know how me survive and me I get some blood clot ramming on my wall, you know. Till me all a glow. See how me a glow? It's no filter. That's a dark skin black girl. Cause you know so not fair over there, so RT have to breathe. RT, and you need to bleach out your bottom too. The little genital warts them. It look like you have bleach your face and now bleach out your bottom. And your foot them look like when you dip chicken foot in a hot water like it's scald off. Anyway, enough about you now. Go back on my list. Okay. I'm done basically now. So going forward, what's my plans? I'm not focused on anything that really can't pay me. That's with people, that's with things. If it don't really have a substance, I won't be participating in it like that. Every once in a while, me I come back over here. We don't wait no man come here, I go on live. We do the one be done over here, so. Remember say on YouTube the part. Just go and be no man. And y'all reach my goal. Thank you for the hand hearts. If we do our next one, what more want to do? The hand hearts is good. I'm gonna do some donut. Do lesser than an hand heart, but I'm gonna do it. Battery dead. Wait. I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on, guys. Oh. Thank you for joining my team, babies. Oh no, say me no, me no know TikTok. I me no really do TikTok. Come 50 donut. Come make we go on. Donut on a hard thing. Let's go, baby. Leave me with the donut, them, please. But we soon come over here too. Cause I gonna wrap up that part here with the YouTube. Cause 94 minutes that long, an hour and a half me the pan. I want my food too. So, plans going forward. I'm not gonna be in certain shit no more. But like no, regardless, no, I'm still not gonna cuss out on the blood clot on the ramp with me. Because I remember some have personality disorder. So when Monique says she don't want to answer one of the mad girl, them I go come front and center answer no. But certain things and certain people, me not look upon. Me not look upon someone. Sometimes when I have a big name out here, you know, I know like where money gone magical. Bust up, bop, 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 bop. Thank you, baby. Mwah. Sometime, come on, do the donut art them for me, not the donut them. The donut art them for the donut goal. Come make a little live goal. Soon come over here to you. Sometime, uno will have big name, uno call me name. I'ma tell everybody. You see when you cuss me, it make my front wet. I'm a narcissist. Because I know, good or bad, mwah, thank you, magical. I'm going to... Once you call my name, good publicity and bad publicity is the same damn thing. Negative publicity sell more. So when it cost me and go on, because the most them I go do I listen to them for about 3 days, them the member you again. From I've been on this internet, I have been longevity and I don't go out my way. Because I could have go out my way and jump in enough argument and getting enough things. I really don't care for clout. But what I want to know for understand is, when you talk about me negative, baby, I feel good. I don't care. If my real life was, you know, like I lost the love of my life last year. And I was crying on the internet for months. I was happy and I smiled a lot. Thank you for the follow, babes. I was crying and I can't tell you. I probably, in the past couple of months, I only cried like one time. And that was the other day. I just felt tired. I felt like when one problem occurred, it got fixed and it was something else and something else. And I had to just tell myself, like, you Monique, nigga, you never got anything easy, so why you think it's going to start now? Because most of the time, people jealous I'm a struggle them. That's the truth of the matter. So going forward, I won't be answering some of you dog shits. You have to have a little following base for my answer. I call them the local too. There are little local people where me make people know when I get a little bus. I'm not going to waste my time on really too talky too, you know. Because if big celebrity come from my thing, I may tell them run them blood clot and not add them. Who is you know? Let's be honest. Alright. I'm full of fucking peace too. I'm full of peace. The last time I felt so full of peace is when I had cancer. Because I was reminded, sometimes it's not what you have. We be so focused on what we don't have that we don't appreciate what we have. And in my darkest hour, God always send people to me that I don't even think I need. I don't even know their purpose. But they put something in me. I feel something. I'm full of peace. I'm full of peace. Like, I'm full of love. Even if I cuss somebody right now, I'm not going to cuss them too long because I'm full of love. I'm full of peace. I know what it is to feel the ultimate peace. And we are going to get to it. Cartel is home. It's been a long road. Adi me daddy. And I want to say, one thing I really want to say that I haven't heard anybody addressing it. I don't care about, I'm not going to get into the circumstances of why he was locked up. But the greatest been locked up. Muhammad Ali, Nelson Mandela. Certain men have got time. And while they're in there, they learn, they read, they educate themselves. Anybody that's followed me for years ago, I always say, the difference why Cartel is so successful because he's a very educated man. People don't realize how educated he is because we get distracted with his lyrics. I am hoping, because that's the reason why he was locked away, that he realized how powerful he is, that he will use his voice. I know Jamaica's corrupted, can't go around it. But I'm hoping he could get into politics. Because if a man said bleach out him bleach and clocks and Jamaica full of bleaching and clocks and it turned to trending and him use lyrics and can run a nation, I would like him to get into politics so he could address certain things that are going on in Jamaica with the women killing. the kids being raped, the poverty. There's a lot of things that I think that he does lyrically that I feel like, and they know that he's a threat. Because before people were listening to before them listen to a politician, everybody said Cartel. Because he's influential. So I'm hoping that he used this experience and use his voice to be a better Jamaica. I love Cartel to my heart. He's a lyrical genius. I don't care. You can go from, if you want a culture song, to a scamming song, to a folk song, to a hype song, to a upliftment song. He has covered. He's the greatest that we have. I don't care what anybody say. I'm glad that he's home, but I'm hoping that he tends to his health, get back where he needs to be healthy, because he seems like he's in good spirit. But I just hope that he will just use his voice, because honestly, I'm not born in Jamaica. I grew up in Jamaica. I go back and forth to Jamaica all the time. And these years of the children dying, the women dying, and it's something he's always talk about, the murder rate. I feel like he can help. I'm feeling like I hope that he used this experience, because that's the reason why he was locked away. Because he was so influential over the people. Cartel is a done. And it is what it is. Yeah, he know. Yeah, and he's been on the inside too, so he knows certain things. So that's the only thing that I'm hoping. I hear everybody saying free Cartel. Yeah, we glad that he home. But I'm hoping he used the voice that they try to shut down. The voice that they try to quiet. And that's all I'm going to say. But you guys, this was my first YouTube live. I'm about to end it. Big up on yourself. I'm still there over TikTok right now. My name is Momo Go Throat over there, sir. Follow me on all platforms. You can find me on Momo Still Fed Up on IG. Momo Go Throat on YouTube. And Momo Go Throat on Tag. But that's all over the place. Thank you. But and I'm out. And y'all be safe.